We got this floor lamp with this shade on it, but this shade is made out of plastic, and as you can see, it's all garbage. So what I'm going to do here, take this all apart, and I've cleaned some nice rods here that I'm going to weld into here and make a new shade. I'm going to use the top and the bottom because that's all there is here. There's a ring on the bottom and a ring on the top, and it's just this plastic that holds it together. But it is garbage, so we're going to take this all apart, weld those rods on, and then Monica will make a new shade for it. There, I got these two rings cleaned off. Now I'm going to weld the other piece together.